Yeah, what going on, people? Yeah man, another fishing adventure again this morning. And we're heading to waky because we want to snook this morning. Snook hunting this morning, but I use live bait. Because you may come out in the morning and the fish them not really bite lure around this side in the morning. Sometime them bite. But not all the while. Mr. Boy, I carry some live bait for maximize the chance of catching something this morning, a snook. So stop downtown. Get some toffee, maybe about 2 bang or 4 bang. About 4 bang I catch. I see one drop out already, so I must about 3 may have left. So may I go see if I can catch something with the toffee them. You understand what I mean? So we catch on the beach side, alright? Alright guys, so I'm at the spot now. I'm going to set out a bang first because guess what? Bang them easier to drop out, you know. So I'm going to set out a bang on this line right here now. See here, right here. So first rod out. This is a bang on my 30-pound setup. 3-yard circle hook, 30-pound leader. Right, whoa! So quick man, you get wet up already? Come on man, don't do that. Don't wet me up so early. I need to catch a fish before I wet them. No, don't go so far. Come back here. I don't want him so far. Because them cutlass fish, we don't know if cutlass fish out here. But that's number 1. So this is number 1 now. Number 1 out to the bang. So you can see now, what going to be the outcome now with this. The water kind of rough still, but it will get rougher still, you know. No doubt about it. It's going to get rougher, but I go on. Just have a work out. Alright, so first one out, people, see there? First setup. Let's see what we're going to feed them. I set up 2 other and get back. The other 2 I set up it with circle. The other 2 up on J-hook. We don't want to use the J-hook, we want to use circle hook today. So, being as this snook me I catch, I use circle hook, you know. I don't want to keep the leader as light as possible. At the same time, I don't want them cut me off. So, using the circle hook, you just go to the corner of the mouth, you have a better chance catching them. Not saying that they won't cut you off, you know, but you have a better chance catching them with the circle hook, with a smaller leader. Alright, so. First one out, so come back. We're going to have a lot of wind around here this today, a lot of wind. But I set out 3 rod already, 2 bang, 1 toffee. So I wait now to get a run. I don't know how hard the breeze will come up today, you know, and how rough the water will be, but I don't know, I just try a thing right around here, so I want to snook today, so that's why I'm really coming around here. So, and the water not too bad, you know, the clarity, the color of the water not too bad, you know. But just the breeze are going to mess up everything, and the roughness of the water, you know. But anyhow, stay tuned, right? We'll soon come back to you. Hopefully come back to you on the hookup, right? So, what we say? Fish on every time? Fish on every time. So come. Alright guys, in the meantime, I'm waiting to get a run. I'm going to explain what is this little rubber thing right here. I use it mostly on circle hooks, right? And if you're fishing a lot with circle hooks, you're going to see why I use this little rubber thing right here. This is made from rubber. This right now is a piece of bicycle tube. You can use bicycle tube, you can use car tube, you can use anything, rubber band, anything at all. Rubber, as long as it's rubber, right? You can use it on a circle hook. But mostly I use this on circle hook, right? Only circle hook alone. And if you use circle hook a lot to fish with live bait, you will realize that sometimes when you pull up the bait, right, without using these things here, you see like the hook turn around and stick the fish in the eye or the gill and kill the fish, the bait, right? 90% of the time or 99% of the time, when you pull up your bait, you see the circle hook like lodging in the eye or in the gill or somewhere in the bait dead. You understand me? So what this does now is like a little stopper. What you do is just put a little piece of rubber on it here, right there. Don't put it all the way around on the back of the hook. Just put it right to the front and leave a little space between the gill of the hook and the rubber. The gill, so the gill of the hook there. Have a little thing right here, they call it the gill, right, or the barb. And you just leave a little space, so that means when you put on the bait on the hook, the bait will be like right here. So the hook will be at an angle like this. So the bait will be right here, right? The bait won't go all the way onto the back of the hook, just right at the front. So the hook can slide around and hook him in the face, or the eye, or the gill, or wherever, and kill the bait. Alright, so this is just a stop. Alright, so, and mostly use it with circle hook. I use it with circle hook. You don't have to use it with J hook, because J hook don't turn around, or the point don't come back and stick the fish in the eye. So you don't have to use it with J hook, but you use it with circle hook. Alright, so that is why I use these little rubber things. It don't make a difference because the catch fish same way. Because you see me catch a lot of fish with the yellow one and black one. I catch fish same way with this thing on it. Alright? So that is the reason for this little thing on the hook. Alright? Now, I don't even know if I'm going to get a run right now because the rod them still out there. I'm going to check the bait now, see if them still alive because they've got all butter up down at the water now. Alright, so I'm going to drop the first one and check it and see if I'm still alive. So the bait gone off of this one. I don't know how the bait gone, but it gone. So I'm going to change the hook now. This was a J hook, you know. I done a J hook on this one because I never wanted to change it, but I don't know why the bait gone now. I don't know if I something take him off or what, but I not look. So I got to change the hook now and see if I really did. That's it, I'm going to change it, right? I'm going to put on the circle hook on this one because it was a J hook before. I was going to cut off the leader. Whoa! Don't do that, don't drop it, don't drop. Yeah, I'm just going to cut off the leader right here. So this is the J hook. I'm going to set that up back for another time, but this right here now. You can put on, I'm gonna put on the circle. Just stand up here on the pad. Turn me back to the breeze. Right, so this is the circle I'm gonna use now. Find another bait. I'm gonna find a bang. Because I don't want the bang to drop out, I'm gonna get to use them. Now the bang them easy to drop out, you know, I tell you. Easy to turn over, man, like watch out now. So one here, I'm gonna use them because the tough is stronger, so toughest thing I book. Tough for later. Bang, for now, see it here now people. So you put it on here, put it on right through the nose, on the circle up here, so. And so the bait, see it here now people, it stop right here, so. So just stop, so the bait stop right here, so. Alright, so I'm going to put it back on now. Alright. Put him out back now, let me see. I wonder if he will come off of the hook, sir. I wonder if something will take him off. No, nothing take him off, you know. I'm going to put him out far and here. Out far. Far, I'm going to put him out right there, so I'm going to put him out. Right there, sir. Yeah. Right in the rough water. Right in the rough water, I'm drop. Current strong enough. So that current here, well strong enough, man. Fish on, come here boy. Come here boy, come here. What kind of fish is this? till him get away. Seriously? You will not get away. Oh man, can't get away. Come here. What kind of fish? Fish, snapper. Come here, boy. Ah! Alright, so wind up on my own line now. See it here again. Another. Hold on a minute now. See that now? You run on the line now. And take up another line. So what the hell wrong with this circle, look, man? You can't come out of the mountain now. Yeah, brother. Come on. Alright now, so see that now people, the lip gripper is so much easier. You can't take out look out of the mouth. See that now? People see me now, guys. They're beautiful snapper. Last time I never have my lip gripper, but this time I make sure I carry it with me. So, see there? A beautiful fish. See that? Every time I come out here I have to catch a mangrove now. It's a nice size mangrove. Let me measure him now. So this is a 12 inches roller, right? 12 inches, right? So let me see now how much this one measure. This one measure like 12, 14 inches. So this fish now, this mangrove snapper is 14 inches. See that? The first one I catch on there was 17, 18 inches. This one is 14. Still a good size snapper. So here we go, guys. Mangrove snapper. Put him in the box. So this is dinner fish, right? Get in there. Hurricane condition again, hurricane conditions. Yeah man, hurricane conditions. But the water is rough, man. Still a fishing head, see me. Ah boy, I tell you, determination boy, determined to catch something else. I catch a snapper, you know. Catch a snapper. Already. I want something else, I want a stroke. But we beat them finish now still, you know, so I must about some small toffee, like about 4 or 5 small toffee. I'll go and fish them out and see if we can catch a sloop with it. I don't know how it's going to work out, but maybe I want to pass through and see it and take it up, you know. But look on the water, rough water we are fishing at same way. Yeah, it has stir up too hard, man. Look at that, look on the wave. Yeah, man. But anyhow, stay and hang in there and see if I can catch something else, alright? So come back, stay tuned, alright? Yeah. Fish on every time. Every time. Come on, stop on me catch it though. Alright guys, so I have to call it a day now, you know. Call it off now for today because I'm not feeling 100%. I'm feeling kind of sick in my body. I have this little pain on my belly button, and I tell you, so when the pain comes, I just feel sick overall, you know. I feel alright this morning, you know, but all of a sudden it just start come back and then I take a painkiller, but like you know start working or it's slow, or I don't know if it not work or what, but just kind of feel, I feel 100. So I just call it off for the day. You know me always determined to catch another fish, you know, because I catch a snapper already this morning, and I catch one nice size snapper. I do want to catch a snook, but can't stay, I don't feel good. So I guess it's it that for the day. Now I'll pack up now and get on out of here. So anyhow, thanks for watching, alright? Remember to like, share and subscribe, and you'll see us in the next one. Fish on every time.